Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger group limit request. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger group limit request, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Messenger. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. We'll find an install, you can uninstall your app and you will try to install it again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.